In this lesson, I will explain to you what is the difference between footnote and endnote, and how we insert footnote or endnote in our document. First of all, I will explain to you footnote. A footnote is a note at the bottom of the page. So see, this is very important that it is at the bottom of the page in a book, which provides more detailed information about something that is stated on that page. An explanatory or supporting note or comment at the bottom of the page. So this is called the end note. If suppose you have some phrases, if you have some idioms, if you have some difficult words which you want to explain to your audience or to the readers, and you want to write down the footnote, so footnote always appears at the bottom of the page. An end note always appears at the end of the document. Suppose your document consists of 3 or 4 pages or a small book, then you insert the end note at the end of your document, that is called the end note. You can write the explanation, all the difficult words, all the difficult phrases at the end, that is called the end note. And if you enter information and comment or anything at the bottom of the page, which is called the footnote. So now I am going to show you how to insert the footnote and endnotes in your document. So I have already made one document here. This is just the sample. I have mentioned here how you can write down the letter. So, and no name is mentioned here is Mr. ABC or dear Mr. ABC, like this. Suppose this is your document, and when you read your document, when we come here, the complimentary clause and the name of the writer complete the letter. And here you think that you provide some more information to your readers about the complimentary clause. So we are now going to insert the insert footnote here. You have to bring, first of all, you have to bring your insertion point at the end of the letter E. This is the complementary clause. Here we want to insert it. So bring here and then go see, these are the different tabs. So you have to click on the references tab. This is the references tab. From the references tab, you have to go to the footnotes. This is the footnotes. And from footnotes group, insert footnote, this one. As soon as you will click here, you will see number 1 appears at the bottom of the page. Here you can write down the explanation of the word complementary clause. Suppose here I write down the part of a letter that by convention immediately leads the signature, right? As suppose I will write down very truly, you can write down sincerely or whatever you want. Suppose this is the explanation, right? This is the explanation. As soon as your reader will reach here, close the complimentary clause, he or she will see number 1. It means the explanation is at the bottom of the page. The part of the letter by convention immediately leads the signature as very truly, right? I can make it bold so you can see it easily. One more time, right? Suppose at the end, when we will finish this letter, use the default or 1 inch margin for the side and bottom margin. Now you have decided, okay, here I have to mention something about the margins. So bring your insertion point here at the end of the letter S, and there is a period as well. So here it will blink. Again, you have to go to the references tab and then insert note. Again, when you will click on the insert note, number 2 will appear here. So here you can write down the explanation or meaning or comment whatever you want about this margin. Suppose here I want to write down from layout tab, you may set the margin. You may set the margin. So I will make it bold. So when again your readers will reach here, number 2 is there, it means the explanation is at the bottom of the page. So this is called the footnote, right? These are called the footnote. Now I am going to show you how to insert the end note. So we will undo all these things, right? Same thing. Suppose complementary clause. Bring your insertion point here, go to the references tab and footnotes. This one, before we were using insert footnote, right? Footnote at the bottom of the page. This is insert end note. And one more thing, suppose because we have one page, I can make a copy. So copy, and we will suppose paste 2 or 3 times. Suppose this is our one document now. And then come back here, complementary clause. So go to the references and then insert end note. When you will click here, see, now our insertion point is at the end of the document. So you can write down the same thing, the part of a letter that by convention immediately leads the signature line. Right, same thing you can do here as well. Suppose you want to set the margin, or instead of margin you want to write down something about the letter. So bring your insertion point here, go to the references, insert end note. This is the end note, it will go here too. So you can write down letter provides information, right? Provides information, but whatever information, whatever comment, what is detail you want to write down. So in this lesson you have learned how to insert the footnote and how to insert the end note. If you still have any question regarding these two, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.